Converge started this game with sweet outside shooting from Stockton, which mas okay talagang si Winston yung off the bench kasi mas magiging malaya siya to operate, create on his own, and ito yung prototype 5 para sa Converge. So, it's the test ng Converge yung defensive coverage ni Junmar sa mga on-ball situations kasi ito nga yung kaibahan nila ni Justin Arana. Si Arana kasi meron na siyang operation from the elbow or kahit sa top of the key. Minsan, he will attack tapos meron na rin siyang mid-range game. Pero sa offense, ibang klase pa rin talaga si Junmar. Once na magkaroon siya ng magandang pwesto and merong magaling na passer from the outside, parang automatic 2 points for Junmar if mabigyan mo lang siya sa ilalim. Pero Converge, they're always trying their best to put out sa kay Junmar, i-out of position siya. Kaya grabe nga yung big man rotation nila this game eh. The problem also para sa SMB is yung kanilang transition defense. Palaging nahuhuli yung mga old legs kapag nag-decide yung Converge to play the early offense. Ni Junmar, hindi mo nga makikita sa screen ng TV kapag nag-fast break yung Converge. Hanggang sa naging ganito yung playstyle ng Converge for the whole first half, tumaas pa yung lamang nila into double digits. Pero the way hinandle ng Converge yung kanilang malaking lamang is not really good. Dito lalabas yung experience ng SMB over Converge. After ng big lead, Converge played careless. Nagtatapo na ng fast breaks ng hindi sigurado, so dumadating na yung mga turnovers. Habang yung SMB, patuloy pa rin naman sa kanilang execution, naglalagay na ng cross screens kay Junmar para magkaroon ng magandang pwesto sa poste. So, dinagdagan pa ng some energy from Jericho Cruz kahit may sakit siya. So, kaya lagi kong nire-raise sa Converge na they still need a veteran point guard in this kind of situation. Sayang nga yung JV Casio na nasa kanila na sana. Tapos meron din pala silang Alex Cabagnot dati. I think ito yung mas better instead of putting on Rafi Rivis. Kasi meron naman silang Ildefonso for the big man. So, natapos ang first half 49-47. Lamang ng dalawa na lang yung Converge. In the end game, this will be a reality check para sa Converge 5er-Xers. They have the tools right now but they're lacking of composure. Tsaka ibigay rin natin sa kanila yung bad shooting ng mga stars nila. One is 2 out of 10 with 3 turnovers. Stockton is 2 out of 11. Pero kasi the way they manage their offense is different kaya ganyan din yung shooting nila. They were playing better sa first half moving the ball around pero a lot of isolated attempts sa second half. Eh yung SMB, they shared the ball for the best shot. Nagkaroon man sila ng hero action nung nag-take over lang si Wami Chongson and it paid off. 14 points lahat sa fourth quarter and dun din lumayo yung SMB. And again, the way SMB handled their lead compared to Converge, ibang-iba eh. No rush shots, minimal bad selections for SMB. Tsaka yung defense nila sa taas, yung coverage nila sa mga guards ng Converge, pinaghandaan talaga ng SMB. Syempre si Juan, after torching in his first few games, binarkahan ni Cristro sa start ng laro to disrupt his rhythm and flow. Hindi na rin siya nagamit in the end. Though if you're Converge, you need to stay positive kasi yung reason sa kanilang talo is just the shot selections resulting to poor field goals. Nawala din kasi yung pag-involve nila kay Fajardo sa ball screen actions kasi nga everyone wants to show off on their own. If you're Converge, okay naman yung pinakita sa transition. Okay yung offensive rebounding nila turning to second chance points. Kumbaga, the mistake here is madaling mabago. Tsaka kailangan nila itong talo na ito para magising din sila. And yun nga, reality check. Lalong-lalo na at SMB pa. And hindi rin sila maging kampante na they are strong sa papel. Iba pa rin yung kalidad ng SMB with Junmar Fajardo versus a team na more of naging, siguro, simple word natin is gigil. So, GG 96-90.